All right, so check this out. Will Disney stock end its 3-year losing streak in 2024? What do you think? Because the Motley Fool is posing that question to you from this article. And the key points of the article is right here. Disney shares have been cut in half over the last 3 years, but the business is in much better shape now. The shares can be had for a reasonable 18 times next fiscal year's projected earnings. The company has plenty of potential catalysts that could begin to noticeably pay off this year, even if 2024 begins with fresh challenges. You want to go out and buy it? Look at the performance of Disney over the last couple of years. They did not even outperform the S&P 500, which a lot of people try to use as a benchmark on performance. If you can beat the S&P 500, you're doing pretty good. Year 2021, Disney ended the year down 15%. The S&P 500 would have garnished 27% profit. 2022, Disney was down 44%, while the S&P 500 was down 19%. Yes, both losses, but minimum losses on the S&P. Then you go to 2023, last year. Disney was up 5%, but the S&P returned another 24% though. So it definitely would have been better for your money to be locked up in S&P 500 than in Disney stock over the last 3 years, right? Cool. So I really want to show you the price chart for Disney. I'm not going to go through this article because it goes through their own hypotheticals, causes, and reasons why price could actually be pretty good in 2024. But I want to look at the money. So let's go ahead and look at Disney. Okay, let's look at the chart because we have a price prediction here in the market for Disney. Goes all the way back here to November the 16th, 17th is where we started this price prediction. And I'm zooming out so you guys can see what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm looking for the price to go up in Disney. It's not that hard, is it? And given the recent price action, namely right around here, it's telling me that this market is still pretty bullish. Okay, we got earnings coming up on February the 7th. So yes, I would expect to see some volatility occur in Disney. And the bad part is that Disney is reflecting a sell zone right here. Okay, so you may not see the market in Disney go above that level, $96. If it doesn't happen, I've already told you the reason why. It's because sellers will have increased pressure of the buyers to actually break the market above that level, right? So let's look at this real quick on a weekly chart for Disney. Okay, because I'm still looking for price to go up. So let me just go ahead and extend this price prediction. Just like that. Now, why do I think price is still bullish though? Well, let me go ahead and show you. We're going to create the buy zone right here. Okay. We're noticing that the price action in Disney is stair-stepping its way up to higher prices, meaning that every time we see opportunity for price to go down, the buyers immediately step in to keep it from falling further. Disney on the 2 weeks. Look at that. From this strong 2-weekly price bar, the next 4 2 weeks price bars, market just kind of just drifted. You know, it didn't go all the way back down to $80. It just kind of drifted lower. But then you get to the last 2 weeks. We saw the market close on the high of the bar. It lets me know that the buyers are still there. If anything, these 2 weeks, these 4 2-weekly price bars was opportunity for the market to accumulate more shares of Disney. Okay. Here it is on the 3. Look at all of this volume on the 3-weekly bar. Look at all that volume down here. Somebody bought the market in Disney. Let's look at this on the 5 then. 4 more days kind of resembles the 2-weekly time frame. Here it is on the monthly chart. 2 more days, 9 hours, kind of resembles the 5 weeks and the 2 weekly price chart. Market's not lying. I think the price action in Disney still wants to go up. So let's do it. Now we got that this sell zone up here. And this would be our other sell zone here. Right there. So that would be our ultimate target. So let me get rid of this line. And we'll just hold this sell zone there. And I'm done. I might want to put a sell zone right here. So yeah, we'll do that. Okay. So let me get rid of this one. So yeah, we might see the market just run up to this particular sell zone, get rejected. That's our first target there. Second one is all the way up there around 103, 104. It's not that hard, is it? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.